Did you know that the average person consumes over 2 teaspoons of sugar every single day? That's almost triple the amount recommended by health experts. Imagine pouring a spoon of sugar into a glass of water and drinking it. That's basically what most of us are doing to our bodies without even realizing it. And here's the scary part. Sugar isn't just in candy and soda. It's hiding in places you'd never expect. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you what sugar really does to your body, where it's secretly hiding in your food, and most importantly, how you can finally break free from sugar's grip. So grab a pen, because some of these facts are going to surprise you.
Why we crave sugar. First, let's talk about why sugar is so addictive. Every time you eat something sweet, your brain releases dopamine, that feel-good hormone. It's the same chemical that lights up when you fall in love, play a fun video game, or even gamble.
Now here's the catch. The more sugar you eat, the less sensitive your brain becomes. That means you need more and more sugar to feel the same level of pleasure. Scientists actually compare this to how addictive drugs work. Sugar hijacks your reward system. That's why quitting isn't about weak willpower. It's literally your brain being rewired. The dangers of too much sugar. So what happens when we overload our body with sugar? Let's break it down.
Weight gain, belly fat. Sugar isn't just empty calories. When you drink soda or eat sweets, your liver quickly turns excess sugar into fat. This fat loves to sit right around your belly, the most dangerous place, because belly fat is strongly linked to heart disease, risk of diabetes. Constant cigar spikes mean your pancreas has to release more insulin. Over time, your body stops responding. That's insulin resistance. This is the road to type 2 diabetes, which now affects over 1 million people worldwide.
Skin aging. Again, sugar doesn't just hurt your waistline. It damages collagen and elastin in your skin. Translation: wrinkles show up earlier and breakouts become more common. That sugar faces real
Energy crashes. Ever notice that burst of energy after candy or soda, followed by a slump where you feel even more tired? That's sugar tricking your blood sugar levels. It's a roller coaster that leaves you craving the next hit.
Long-term damage. Too much sugar is linked not only to obesity and diabetes, but also liver disease, inflammation, and even memory problems. Some researchers call Alzheimer's type of diabetes because of how sugar impacts the brain.
Where sugar hides. Now you might be thinking, okay, he'll just skip desserts. But here's the sneaky part. Sugar hides in everyday foods: bread and bagels, salad, dressings, and ketchup, yogurt, and flavored milk, protein bars and granola, instant oatmeal, even healthy juices and smoothies. A single flavor or yogurt can have more sugar than a can of soda. And to confuse us, companies use over 10 different names for sugar, like corn syrup, fructose, maltose, and even evaporated cane juice. That's why reading labels is so important. If sugar shows up in the first 3 ingredients, put it back on the shelf. How to cut back without feeling miserable. The good news is you don't have to give up sweetness completely. Here are some practical swaps you can start today. Replace soda with sparkling water and lemon.
Trade candy for fresh fruit, like berries or apples. Swap milk, chocolate for dark chocolate or higher. Instead of sugary breakfast cereal, try oats with cinnamon and banana. Use natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit instead of refined sugar.
And here's a tip. Don't quit sugar overnight. That almost never works. Instead, cut back one thing at a time. Maybe replace your daily soda with sparkling water once. That feels normal. Tackle the next thing.
Take back control. Remember, sugar itself isn't evil. The problem is too much of it, and the fact that it's hiding in almost everything we eat. By making small changes, you'll notice more energy, clearer skin, better focus, and even weight loss over time. So here's my challenge for you this week. Cut out just one sugary food or drink you normally consume. Notice how your body feels after 7 days. Engagement outro. Now I want to hear from you. What's the hardest sugary food for you to give up? Is it soda, chocolate, or maybe those flavored coffees? Drop your answer in the comments below. I'd love to read them. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Evergreen Healthy Life, and share this with a friend who might need a sugar wake-up call. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.